Welcome to this week's edition of Product Feature Friday at AgriSupply. This is Philip, and this week we will be featuring our lawnmower blades. Replacing your blades is not difficult, but there are a few things you need to know in order to get the right blades for your mower. The first thing is going to be the center hole pattern. Some blades have a round center hole, as you can see here, and some blades have a star pattern, which could be a 5 or a 6 star pattern. And also the total length of the blade is measured from the cutting edge across to the cutting edge, so a diagonal measurement across here will give you the total length of the blade. More importantly, if you have your serial number or your model number of your mower, it makes it a lot easier for us to help you get the right blades for your mower. So the good time to replace your blades is when they are worn down or bent or cracked. And new mower blades are going to mow grass a lot more efficiently and reduce cutting time. It's always a good idea to keep a spare set of blades on hand. Now's the time of the year to get your mower blades replaced and get ready for the mowing season. So visit one of our 9 retail locations or visit us online at agrisupply.com. Our knowledgeable and friendly teams look forward to seeing you. AgriSupply, it's what's inside.